The fact that now we are being more conscious about what we say, being more conscious about what we do, making sure that it is pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught us, "Ud'u Allah wa antum muqinuna bil ijaba." Call out to Allah and be certain that you are going to be answered, that your dua is going to be answered.
We should enjoy food that is going to be good for us and that's not going to harm us. Then we're really reaping the benefits of this month of fasting.
This is the night that Allah has given us so much opportunity, that He made the same night of our decree, the same night that will supercharge our du'as and our ibadah and everything, so that we can actually help to shape our destiny for the year to come.